Is it a boy?
Yeah.
We're just saying.
We got plans for
I
him.
never took
Yeah.
your cruise
Copy that, we'll do.
Long enough for a picture. There you go. Put it in the Xavier newspapers you have.
Whoa. Oh. Take this. Oh yeah, definitely, sure.
Alright, when you guys going up in the cab, what we're going to do is we're going to do one short blast and then a long blast for like 5 seconds. Okay? Any more than 5 seconds, coming in town, so you think something's blowing up. So, okay? Alright, go ahead. Bethany, you're all set. You guys go up there? Alright, go on up.
Go. Alright.
He's filming. He's on video. Done, let's have you guys look out the window. We're going to picture you guys out the window. And we'll put Stephanie and Steven here for that photo. Alright? So you see I'm going to start with that now. Just let us know when you're going to start, okay? Set? Okay. You're ready to go.